Hello, my name is Arvinita Longjam and I will show you the basic features of my application which is called Mood, and it is my second capstone project of my UI UX design course that I did recently from Internsala. So this is the splash screen that the user will first interact with, and when the user click onto the screen they will get a login page where they will have to enter their email, their passwords, and they can check this checkbox to remember the password and just click on login here. If the user have forgotten their password, they can always reset by clicking onto this forgot password. If the user haven't signed up yet or haven't registered yet, they can go to register and they will enter their first name, last name, the email, password, and just check this checkbox to remember the password and sign up here. They can also sign up using their Google account or their Facebook account. So I'll just click on sign up here. This is the page where the user can set their preferences like the languages of the songs they want to listen to. So I'll just click on English, Hindi, and Korean and just click on next. This is the home page of my applications, and this section shows the song that is currently playing or the song that was recently played. The user can scroll through various categories of songs from this home page. The user can pick their favorite artist. They can scroll sideways to choose their favorite artist. And this section is regular updates of hit songs. The user can also get to choose the different genres of songs like pop music, rock music, hip hop, jazz, classicals, or country. And this section is another personalized recommendation sections, and it is recommended based on the activity of the user. The user can also browse for songs through different moods, like if they want to listen to happy song, sad song, travel, romance, and motivational or relaxing songs. And this section is trending song sections. They can choose trending songs from these sections. And this section is another personalized recommendation sections where it is recommended based on the activity of the user. The user can also learn different musical instruments like piano, guitar, violin, and they can also learn singing lesson here. And this section is recommended based on the nationality of the user. They can also browse different international songs. So let's go back and just click on notification. In this page the user will get notifications of new song release or any other updates relating to artists or songs. So let's go back again and go to settings. First, let's see the music playback settings. You can turn on and off this autoplay. You can change the streaming quality, the music preference, then they can turn on and off this toggle button, the sleep timer. They can turn on the soul lyrics or smooth song transitions, etc. Let's go to downloads. They can turn on this download with mobile data, or they can change the music download quality or video download quality. So let's go back and let's go to terms, helps and supports, and this is the help and support. And let's go to terms and conditions, and this is a term and condition page, and they can delete their account or log out of these applications from here. So let's go to history. They will get the song that was recently played here. They can scroll through this. They can go to song history, recently added to playlists, recently downloaded or imported playlists. So let's go back in, or let's go to home page. Search. Okay, let's and the user can search their song through the name of the song or the artist name. Here also I added the recently played section. The user can also browse through different categories like live event, new release, Indians, and through these different categories they can scroll and select their favorite music. So let's go to library. This is the place where they can actually get to know the upcoming events or concerts of their favorite artists. So when the user click onto this, they will get a page where they can book tickets for events or a concert of their favorite artists. So let's go back and go to community. This section is a community page. This page is where the user can interact with other users to share their ideas and thoughts. So let's click one of the songs, and in this space the user can scroll through different other songs, or they can download, like, and let's click on to this menu here. Okay, and the user can follow this artist, they can like the song, and they can download, add to queue, share. They can share on WhatsApp, Instagram, Gmail, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, and this is it. And these are the features of my applications, and thank you very much.